Welcome to SMTA Guadalajara. I'm joined by Robert Beber. He's the export director for a company called Renex out of Poland. Nice to meet you, Robert.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Yeah, so for the benefit of our viewers who have not really much knowledge of Renex, give us a quick backgrounder of who you are, your products, and the types of things you produce.
Okay, so we are basically a company from Poland. We are a company 30 plus years, and we are manufacturer of ESD clothing and ESD furniture. Everything is produced in Poland, and we are really having good time in the Europe. That's why I decided to open North America business. And for now, it's been, let's say, 1.5 years that we are actively doing something. We are present in America a lot. And now for this Mexico, this is also opportunity to present better to end customers, maybe to some potential partners. And beside that, we have also operation in Canada.
Right. So you're selling in America through distribution?
Yeah, through distribution channels.
Yes. Okay. And presumably down here in Mexico, you're planning to do the same.
Yeah, we plan to do the same. We have already iTech as one of the partners, but we will also like to expand this.
Right. Okay. And just to be clear on the range of products you've got, you're making the clothing, which is smocks and things like that, but not the footwear,
So we make smocks, we make t-shirts, polo shirts, trousers, some special jackets, some fleece. So everything that's reliable of the clothing for the
ESD.
Worker.
Yeah. Okay. And let me think. So how are the tariffs affecting the business?
It affects it a lot. So we had Epic Show, and Epic Show was really good, really boom for us. All the, let's say, end customers were excited about our product, especially about the furniture. All the distributors were really satisfied.
Right.
And then, bam, tariffs, war of the tariffs, and I think that's not just for us, but all the manufacturers from Europe. Everything has stopped for 6 months. Now, slowly, it's coming better, but it will take time to ramp it up.
Yeah, I think a lot of companies have put projects on hold, but I mean they're getting to the point they're going to have to go ahead anyway. But it does leave very fragmented supply chains basically. So, what other countries are you looking to expand with Renex into?
Yeah, so we are now targeting mostly. Would like to expand to Mexico a lot. We also have some plans for Japan, and this is quite enough for now.
Okay. So for somebody looking to contact you regarding your products and to get some technical information, do they have to go to Poland, or do you have somebody, is there a Renex person in?
Yeah, so basically we have operation in Poland. I am in charge for the whole export sector. I'm export director.
Right.
And here in Mexico we have IT company, and in US we have 5 partners, which you can just try to see more information about us.
Okay.
But also you can say everything. Renex.pl is our web page when you can get all the information about all our products.
Okay. And do you stock any materials over here?
So now this is the next step, to have stock in US. This is the first step, and then we will see with the Mexico. If also this turn around, maybe we'll also have something for Mexico.
Okay. Makes a lot of sense. Okay. So what would you say are the key selling points then of your ESD materials and furniture? I mean, why should what do you offer?
I said that we offer something that it's much more than just protection of the components. So we offer, for example, with the clothing, we offer that it's comfortable for people, because people needs to wear this at least 8 hours.
Yeah.
And in this 8 hours, this is not comfortable clothing. People don't feel comfortable, and they're not productive. So our goal is to produce something that is really easy to wear, and something that is breathable, and something that people feel really relaxed and comfortable. On the other side, when we are creating the furniture, everything needs to be on the ergonomical side. That's why we also produce the premium electric bench, which allows you to sit 4 hours, then also for 8 hours to stand.
Excellent.
So we are trying to make protection for the people and for the components.
Right. I get it. So, looking at the clothing, though, I mean, so how do you make ESD compliant clothing? If you're making a polo shirt,
Yes.
is it the material that you're weaving into the shirt? I mean, what is it made of?
Yeah, so this is made of, we have different structure. One is just carbon fiber and just cotton. Then we have mix of cotton, we have the mix of synthetic, and we have mix of carbon fiber. All depends what you want. Then we have also for clean room. With the clean room, it cannot be cotton, it must be all synthetic side, combined with the carbon fiber.
Okay, so do you have different levels of ESD compliance that you work
yes.
to? Yeah.
Yes, different level, but for us, at least in Europe, the best seller is something that is, really easy for wear for the end customer, but then customer being for the worker.
Yeah. Okay, great. Okay, great. So, it's great to sort of find out a little bit more about Renex, and I wish you every success in finding good partnerships down here in Mexico.
Thank you.
Is this your first trip down here?
No, this is the third trip, and also, to be honest, first time I was really scared to come to Mexico with lots of crazy stories, but I think also this is also a nice country with normal people, and I think that also you can do business here.
Yeah. No, I think in the business world, it's pretty safe around here.
Yeah, pretty safe.
Anyway, thank you for coming in, Robert. It's been lovely to meet you.
Thank you so much.
Kaizen is the leading global supplier of award-winning cleaning chemistries for electronics assembly operations. Whether you are cleaning stencils or final assemblies, our global team of cleaning experts is there to help you succeed. Want to know more? Stop by our booth or visit kaizen.com.